It's been 30 days since I switched to the REDMAGIC 10 Pro as my primary phone. And let me tell you, this device is insane. It's fast, it's loud, it's unapologetically designed for gamers. But is it actually good for real life? Today I'll give you a no-nonsense review for everyday use, from performance to battery life to those eye-catching shoulder triggers. Let's get started. The purchase link is down below in the description, just take a look. Performance. Let's start with the obvious, performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, up to 16 GB of RAM, 165Hz display. It blows away every game I've thrown at it, COD Mobile, Genshin Impact, you name it, max settings, no lag. And yes, the internal fan? It's not a gimmick, the temperature stayed 58 degrees Celsius cooler over longer sessions compared to my iPhone 15 Pro. Cooling and gaming space. Gambling space is one of the best parts of this phone. With a built-in screen recorder, performance tuning, and shoulder trigger mapping, it feels like a mini gaming console in your hand. And the fan noise? You can only hear it in quiet rooms, otherwise, it does its job and keeps the device cool. Battery life. Battery life? Surprisingly solid. The 5000 mAh battery lasted me a full day of heavy gaming and still had enough juice to surf into the night. The 80W fast charging is no joke either, 0-100 in about 35 minutes. Seriously, I can't remember what it feels like to wait for a charge. Camera. Now, let's talk cameras. This is where things get good. The 50 megapixels main sensor works well in daylight. In low light? Well, not so much. You're not buying this phone for photography, but it's acceptable for casual photos or reportage. Software and daily use. The REDMAGIC operating system is fast and customizable, but it has its quirks. Some notifications don't display correctly, and multitasking is sometimes a bit clunky. It's improved since launch, but it's still not as polished as Samsung's One UI or stock Android. Build and design. Design-wise, this device makes quite a statement. Transparent back, RGB lights on the fan, sharp edges. It's a top-notch gamer. It's not subtle, and that's the point. The stereo speakers are powerful, punchy, and perfect for portable gaming. Conclusions. After 30 days, would I recommend it? If you're a mobile gamer, 100% yes. It's designed for that lifestyle and it fulfills it perfectly. But if you're looking for excellent cameras, top-notch software, or a more normal phone experience, this might not be the phone for you. For $600,700? It's one of the best gaming phones you can get right now. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you'd like to see us test next. A camera comparison? REDMAGIC versus Asus ROG? You tell me. Subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and we'll see you next time.